Welcome back, dear children. Now, you saw the same screen in the last session, right? Gopal bought the hilsa fish, very big fish, and started walking towards the palace. And a small boy, see here, one small boy is raising questions. See that arrow in the bubble. Who's asking question? Small boy, right? Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? So he was saying to his mother, what mother will do? He must be a bad man. Bad man or madman? Madman. He must be a madman. This was not said by his mother, but some other strangers were talking. A big mustache, a person with big mustache is saying he must be a madman. Other one person, the other person who is standing nearby, he's saying, shh, I think he's a mystic. Mystic? Mystic means what? He's a confused person. He's a man of confusion. Same meaning only. Okay? Right? Oh, when Gopal reached the court, see what happens? The soldiers are not allowing him inside. What do you want? Soldiers are asking. I want to see the king. Who said this? Who said? Gopal said these words, right? And you can't see the king. Get away with you. You can't see the king. Get away with you. So the soldiers cannot recognize who he is. Right? Who is Gopal? Gopal is the wisest person in the court. Okay. One of the wisest person in the court here. But the soldiers cannot able to recognize him because he is half shaped, fully he applied ash in his face. Right? So, and with torn cloths, all these. So Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Dance and sing loudly. Immediately, all these came to king's knowledge. Inside the palace, what happened? The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So all these wordings are heard by the king. King was sitting inside the palace, but he is hearing all these words. What words he is hearing? The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So, who said these words? I want to see the king. Yes, very good. Gopal said. Right? Throw him out at once. The man is crazy. All these words were said by the soldiers. Who is hearing? The king is hearing all these words. Right? So the king is saying immediately to the soldiers, bring that man to me at once. Now the soldiers said, yes, your majesty. And Gopal was brought before the king. Now other courtiers in the court recognized him. It's Gopal. The man lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. These were all the comments given by his friends only, all the other courtiers. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Ridiculous means what, dear? Yes. Come on, check it out in your dictionary, dear. Take your dictionary, ridiculous. Fantastic. It is laughable. Right? All right, Gopal. Out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous, laughable fashion? Right? Your Majesty, you seems to have forgotten something. Right? Few days before, a king gave him a challenge. What challenge? What is the challenge, dear? You too forgot. Come on, recollect. What is the challenge? Gopal accepted the challenge, isn't it? What is the challenge? So everywhere, everybody is talking about Hilsa fish. Okay? Not even 5 minutes, they are silent. They are talking about Hilsa fish always, wherever you go. So the people and the person in the court should not talk about Hilsa fish, but he has to buy a big, huge Hilsa fish to the palace. That is what is the challenge. Your Majesty, you seems to have forgotten something. What is it? Forgotten something? What is that? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. See here, strangely enough in the sense, always they were talking about Hilsa fish. Today, strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market. From the market only he brought this fish, right? From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish, right? So only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. What is the challenge? Buying Hilsa fish, and nobody should talk about that, right? Ha ha, the king is laughing. Ha ha, well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So the king was happy now, right? Children, I hope you understood the story, right? We'll see the summary of the story once, right? It was a season for Hilsa fish, and it was Hilsa that everyone was talking about. In the market, fishmongers were selling only Hilsa fish, luring customers to buy it. Even in royal court, courtiers were talking about Hilsa. This made the king lose his temper. Children, here Hilsa, Hilsa, not Hillsa. Okay, change it. He believed that no one could stop the people from talking about Hilsa fish, not even Gopal, who was the wisest person in this court. Right? The king challenged Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him about it. Gopal accepted the challenge. After a few days, Gopal shaved beard from half of his face and smeared ash on it. He wore rags and looked disgraceful. His wife was shocked and asked him not to leave home like this. But Gopal kept on telling her that he was going to buy a huge Hilsa fish. She thought Gopal had gone mad. At the market, Gopal bought a huge Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. No one noticed the fish, but everyone was looking at Gopal walking strangely with his shabby clothes. People called him mystic and mad. He went to meet the king but was stopped by the gods. He started dancing and singing loudly in front of the royal palace. The king ordered his guards to produce the man before him. Everyone in the court was shocked seeing Gopal dressed up like a man. The king questioned Gopal about the reason for his weird attire. Attire is dress. Okay, another word for dress. Gopal reminded the king about the challenge and told him that from the market to the royal palace, no one had asked him a single word about the Hilsa fish. The king burst into laughter and accepted that Gopal had done the impossible once more. Yes, clear? Very interesting story, isn't it? We'll go on with working with text. First question. Why did the king want no more talk about Hilsa fish? The king was fed up the talks of Hilsa fish. It was season of Hilsa fish and everyone was busy in talking of it. Moreover, he did not want his courtier to waste his time on these talks. Right? So what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking anything about the fish throughout the way to prove that he was clever. Right? What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? One is half shaved, another one smeared himself with ash, and the third one is disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. That is what is three things. Gopal half shaved his beard, smeared himself with ash, and wore disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. Right? How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? When Gopal asked the gods to let him meet the king, they refused. Therefore, he began to dance and sing loudly. On hearing his loud song, the king sent his messenger to call him in the court. So, therefore, spelling Trefore. Okay, change it here. Now, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of the people much more than Hilsa fish. So, always they were talking about Hilsa fish. They want some changes. At that time, no one was caring about Hilsa fish. He was carrying. Okay, carrying and carrying. Everyone was busy in talking about his mad appearance, half-shaved face and rags. Again, Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of the people much more than Hilsa fish. At that time, no one was caring about Hilsa fish. He was carrying. Everyone was busy in talking about his mad appearance, half-shaved face and rags. Right? So, sixth question is true or false, dear? You all know the king lost his temper easily. Yes, it is true. That's what he got very angry, okay, towards his courtiers. Gopal was a madman. False. Gopal was a clever man. Yes, it is true. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. False. Gopal, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong is false. So children, you all read about reported speech in 5th standard itself, right? Direct and indirect speech. One small exercise is this, and we'll see in detail in grammar part. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? So the women, who asked? The women asked the man how much he had paid for that Hilsa. Why is your face half shaven? Gopal's wife asked him, why was his face half shaven? Why is changed to was? Your face changed to his face. Right? So I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal told the king that he accepted his challenge. I want to see the king. Gopal told the gods that he wanted to see the king. Bring the man to me at once. The king ordered the god to bring the man to him at once. Children, is it clear? So, meaning of challenge, ask to contest or dare. The boss challenged Rahul to finish his work before the time. Children, book exercises are there. Try to do it on your own. Right? These are all some samples only, not the full exercise. Mystic, comical, then courtier, smearing, So all these you write on your own, children. Thank you so much.